Okay, somebody asked me, can I sing? Can I sing? Yes, I can sing. I would sing "Die with a Smile." In 3, 2, 1. I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. 'Cause you already know what you mean to me. Long on the time. Oh, wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody is promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and I had time on earth with you. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ended, I wanna be next to you. Alright, next song is gonna sing "Girl on Fire" if y'all know the song. Okay, make sure to like if you know the song, and subscribe. Make sure you comment too. Okay. She is the girl and she's on fire. In a fantasy, living so high away. And she living in a world that's on fire. I don't wanna burn her eyes, but she living real far away. Whoa, whoa, he got the feet on the ground, and she's running it down. Whoa, 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 he got the feet on the ground, and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's on fire. This girl is on fire. Catch a fisher's bite, there's a burning in her eyes. I don't wanna catch a fisher's bite. I'm gonna find me a lonely girl in a lonely world. But she don't wanna burn, baby. This girl is on fire. Okay, I'm 7 years old and I can sing. Okay, don't blame me.